Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to see about an property wrapper. The property wrapper is an facility which has been provided by Shift in 5.1. So basically, the property wrapper has an get a certain methods as its own, and it based on that we can able to create an constant variable properties to the entire app. So basically the wrapper as an entire business logic or whatever things you need you can do in a wrapper class, and accepting the output from that alone we can use in the methods. So there are today I'm going to see about two differentiation concept with wrapper class, property wrapper and without property wrapper. So I have for that I have just created an playground. In that playground, you can see I have created a structure called employee, and it has only one property, and the property is employee name. For that structure I have created an object. So I have created a memory. In that memory I have just made as a welcome as a text for the employee name. So I just want this welcome to be print or utilize as an not as welome. Instead I just need an entire capital letter, W as cap and E as caps and so on. So what I did is, like, I have created an object of employee name equals to, I have made a string with uppercase. In case if we have an lots and lots of string, we can make use of this uppercase function. So let's go and see how the print structure is printing. So as you know, like, welcome change value is been printing in an uppercase format. So this is the case, like, in case if your app has a lots of employee names or in many details, means at the time the code became messy, or each and every time we have to go and specify it is uppercase. So instead of doing that, we have an beautiful specifications called property wrapper. So let's see an same example and how the property wrappers will work. So let's go on and start. So for that same, we just need to create an property wrapper class. For that we have just made an at symbol and create and type property wrapper, and same as an we are going to create an structure. So I'm going to name structure name as an uppercase. So you can give whatever you need, and it's not we need only have to create in a structure. We can also create an things like in classes also, and whatever things you need. So I have made an structure classes. In the structure classes I have uppercase, and it's named as an uppercase. And one more important thing is, like, whenever we are creating a structure or class with an property wrapper, we have to specify an wrapped value for it, and it's a default one. And we have to make this same text over this, and this is a property where we will be getting whenever the reset method is called, whenever the object allocated to that wrapper, this wrappered value method will be property will be allocated. So that I'm creating the same name, and I'm going to create an type of string, and I'm going to make this string as self dot wrappered value equal to wrapper value dot uppercase. Yes, this done. And in case if we need any initialization, means at that time also we have to make this wrapper class to be initialized, and we have to make the same text in an initialization. If you give any other text, means the compiler won't be compiled. So I am going to make this self dot wrapper value equal to the wrapper value which is coming and uppercase. Yes, yeah, it's done. Yes, it's done. So I'm going to create an object for it. So basically here I have just made an wrapped value, and I am, while the did set, I am just setting whatever values comes, it has to be in an uppercase format. and that's a thing here. Yes, it's done. Now let's go and create an object for this. Let's go and create object for property wrapper, and no, let's first create a model for it. So structure, uh, property wrapper employee, and it's going to be have an employee name. Before going to create an employee name, I'm just making this property as an uppercase. So I am adding as uppercase where employee name of type string. Yes. So for this I'm going to create an object. So object like we don't need a classes here. Yes, it's done. And I'm going to create an object for this list. Object property wrapper equal to EW employee, and it's going to get an type string. I'm going to keep an string as hello all. So I haven't just made anything over here. I'm just going to print the value, print obgw dot employee name, and let's see what's happened. Okay, yeah, it's done. It says like hello all, and the entire text in a format of capitalized. Yeah, that's done. It's great, man. So like whatever property we are using at the before that, if you use this uppercase, means the property will be automatically changed to the uppercase. Instead of doing every time outcoding this a kind of stuffs like this, we can utilize this kind of things, and it makes the code somewhat easier to understand. So that's the main power of the property wrapper in Shift UI and all. A property wrapper makes the many roles to do. So hope like everyone is understood and enjoying this video. And if you want me to support, like just hit and like and subscribe button. It will be more helpful for me to do other videos. So thank you so much, guys, and let's meet you in another video. Bye bye.